Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 7 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Alnpet Plus. Make your pets fall in love with drinking water. It is intended to alleviate the concerns and pains experienced by the majority of pet owners, so your animals can drink sifting water to stay healthy and live longer. Filthy water bowls, polluted water, and hidden poisons can all cause significant illnesses in our furry friends. Your pet's water will always be clean and fresh thanks to sophisticated sensors, UVC digital distillation, and nano silver screens. We designed a water fountain to handle everything because of this. Coming to number 2, DJI Avata FPV drone. Compared to its rivals, the drone's 155 degrees FOV offers better hyper-immersive views. Therefore, this FPV drone will capture every frame of video with quality regardless of the adventure you go on. The DJI Avata FPV drone will give you the impression that you are flying. It enhances your complete flying experience when coupled with the DJI motion controller and DJI goggles too. A 4K ultra-wide-angle lens with an f2.8 aperture is another feature of the drone. In fact, it provides stunning images that will enthrall your audience. It can still bounce back after colliding with an obstruction, keeping you in the air. Additionally, it works well in tiny places thanks to its lightweight and compact design. Actually, the drone has a built-in propeller guard as well. Coming to number 3. Sikakeyb SK3 Ultra Compact Customizable Mechanical Keyboard. One of the best features of a mechanical keyboard is the opportunity to customize it, and each SK3 comes with full-color RGB backdrop illumination to fit your aesthetic. 18 different preset light effects are available, or you can go one step further and tailor your light effects using the program and driver. You can connect to up to 5 devices at once using SK3's wired and wireless modes, and switch between them with the touch of a key. You haven't been using the right mechanical keyboard if typing on it doesn't become addicting. The SK3 was created for quality, comfort, and satisfying key presses. It is the world's most portable wireless mechanical keyboard and laptop companion. The Sikakeyb SK3's main body is made of sturdy yet lightweight aluminium that has undergone thorough anode oxidation and CNC machining. Coming to number 4. iZYREC. Smallest and most easy to use voice recorder for all. The iZYREC professional voice recorder's extreme portability and compact size greatly enhance your ability to record, enabling you to covertly record crystal clear audio anytime, anyplace, with improved noise cancellation, an extremely long battery life, and a ton of memory. Despite interference, its extraordinary sensitivity detains sounds up to 7 meters distant. iZYREC's highly sensitive mic will only begin recording when sounds are heard if the voice-activated footage feature is enabled. With a 450 mAh Ultra battery, you can record non-stop for 24 hours and stay in standby mode for up to 50 days. It transforms the customarily large audio recorder into a thin, portable gadget that fits easily in your wallet or purse. Coming to number 5. SolarCru. Smallest and lightest foldable solar panel charger. The most powerful and stunning monocrystalline panels now on the market are used to create SolarCru, which works flawlessly to convert the sun's ubiquitous energy into electrical energy for your devices. When folded, it can be conveniently transported on lengthy journeys by fitting into a purse or a jacket pocket. SolarCru performs admirably when used to charge low-wattage devices like a cell phone, torch, GPS unit, speaker, and tablet with an external battery pack. The side of the final solar panel compartment is constructed with a USB connector and other crucial components. With the development of technology, we have achieved enormous strides in the creation of SolarCru. Coming to number 6. Charggee, a new way to charge. Prolong Gadget longevity. It is a portable USB device that safeguards every USB device you own. It was developed to address the widespread issue of forgetting to unplug a mobile device once it has finished charging. Charggee only requires that you plug it into a wall charger, power bank, or computer and choose how long you want to charge your device for. Once the period of time you choose for charging is up, Charggee will stop working. Basically anything that charges using a USB port. The protection of thousands of mobile devices is possible with Charggee. Coming to number 7. Backmate, the easiest way to target and relieve back pain. This quickly and effectively relieves back and neck discomfort and sets up in any doorway in a matter of seconds. Give yourself a deep tissue massage whenever you need to get rid of discomfort, reduce stress, and fortify your body. The Backmate is a long-term pain management option that doesn't break the bank or have significant hazards, unlike painkillers or pricey therapy. Increase blood flow via the upper back, shoulders, and neck to relieve tension headaches. Lower back pain and an increased chance of damage are brought on by tight hips. Your quads, glutes, and IT bands should be relaxed. Massage supports the health of soft tissues and muscles and speeds up recovery. Additionally, it strengthens muscle tissue and aids in injury prevention. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.